Hi friends, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty. Now see the answers for forensic laboratory exam. Arrange the following amides in order of decreasing reactivity towards OH minus ion promoted hydrolysis. So here four amides are given. We have to arrange these based on reactivity towards OH minus promoted hydrolysis. Here OH minus ion promoted hydrolysis means nucleophilic addition to carbonyl carbon. Amides means NHCO bond is there. Now this OH minus promoted hydrolysis means nucleophile addition takes place at this carbonyl carbon. Nucleophile means having negative charge. See this CH3CO group attached to electron withdrawing group, then this electron withdrawing group decreases the electron density at this carbonyl carbon. In this C double bond O group, oxygen more electronegative, so it attracts pi electrons towards this, then negative charge developed on this oxygen, positive charge is developed on this carbon. Here to this carbon, electron withdrawing group is attached. This group decreases some more electron density from this carbon atom. That's why nucleophile having negative charge can be attacked at this position very easily. So we can say nucleophilic addition is very easily takes place in this type of compounds. C double bond O group attached to the electron withdrawing group, then nucleophilic addition takes place at carbonyl carbon easily. Suppose electron releasing group attached to the carbonyl carbon, it increases electron density to this carbon. It has negative charge. Oxygen can acquire negative charge, carbon can acquire positive charge, oxygen can acquire negative charge. This positive charge is balanced by electron releasing nature of electron density provided by electron releasing group. Then what happens? Nucleophilic addition at this carbon becomes less. Okay. So finally what we conclude? Electron withdrawing group attached to the carbonyl group, nucleophilic addition is more. Electron releasing group is attached to the carbonyl carbon, then nucleophilic addition is less. Now see this, all the four compounds. First one, cyclohexane having NHCOCH3. In this carbon, nitrogen attached carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon. This carbon atom can release required electron density to this nitrogen. From this carbon, electron density is shifted. So nucleophilic addition at this carbonyl carbon is very less because required electron density is provided by this carbon atom present in the cyclohexane. Then next compound, benzene ring having NO2 and NHCOCH3 at meta position. With respect to this is meta position. NO2 is the electron withdrawing group, but it is present at meta position. So this group does not involve in resonance structure. In the resonating forms of this compound, NO2 group does not involve. It exhibits minus I effect, negative inductive effect. So because of this, its reactivity increases towards nucleophilic addition. Compared to this, its reactivity is more towards nucleophilic addition. Next, in this CH3CONH, NO2, both are present at para position. In this, NO2 exhibits minus M effect, negative mesomeric effect. So it involves in the resonance of the molecule and hence reactivity increases more towards nucleophilic addition. NO2 group can also participate in the resonating forms of this compound. Because of that, its reactivity is more towards nucleophilic addition. Next, benzene ring having NHCOCH3. In this, no NO2 group is there. Here only NHCOCH3 electron withdrawing group is present on the benzene ring, so its reactivity is less towards nucleophilic addition. In these two compounds, NO2 group is present here at meta position, here at para position. Between these two, it has highest reactivity than this one, and then this, and then this. So the order is third compound greater than second one, greater than fourth one, greater than first one. Okay. Then what is the order? What is the option? Option A is the answer for this question. Next, simple question. How many of the following ions are aromatic? Here different ions are given. 1, 2, 3. Total 7 ions are given. Aromatic ions we should identify. First of all, see the conditions for aromatic character. If any ion or molecule to be aromatic, then they should satisfy these conditions. First one is they should be cyclic and having planar structure. Each carbon atom is either sp2 or sp hybridization. So in the given compound or given ion, each carbon atom either sp2 or sp. And total number of pi electrons, that means 4n plus 2 pi electrons, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. This rule is called Huckel rule. If the given compound or ion having 4n plus 2 pi electrons and cyclic structure, cyclic and planar structure, and each carbon atom is sp2 hybridization or sp hybridization, then that species is aromatic in nature. In the given ions which are aromatic means, see this one, cyclooctatrienyl dianion. 8 carbon atoms present in the cyclic structure, 3 pi bonds and 2 negative charges. So cyclooctatrienyl dianion. In this total 10 electrons are there. 10 pi electrons. 1, 2, 3. 3 pi bonds means 6 electrons. These electrons will also participate in the conjugation. That's why it is aromatic in nature. Next, this compound. 2 pi bonds are there. That means total 4 pi electrons, and lone pair of electrons present on the oxygen will also participate in the conjugation. So it is also obeying 4n plus 2 pi electrons. If I substitute n equal to 1, then we can get 6 pi electrons. That's why it is also aromatic. Next, cyclopropynyl cation. In this, 1 pi bond is there, 2 pi electrons. It also obeys this Huckel rule. For this n value 0. If I put 0 in this, what happens? We can get 2 pi electrons. So for this ion, 2 pi electrons are there. Hence, it is also aromatic. Next, here pH means C6H5 groups. All the 4 positions are attached by C6H5 and 2 positive charges, 1 pi bond. Then 2 pi electrons are present. If we substitute n equal to 0 in this, then we can get 2 pi electrons. That's why it is also aromatic. Then what about the remaining? See here. Remaining means this one. Cyclopentadienyl cation. It is anti-aromatic. It has only 4 pi electrons. It is not obeying this Huckel rule. That's why it is not aromatic. It has 4 pi electrons, so it is anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic means highly unstable. Next, 2-methyl cyclopropynyl anion. It is also anti-aromatic because it has 4 pi electrons. These electrons also participated. Here 2 electrons are there, so it is also anti-aromatic. Next one, cyclobutynyl anion. In this also 4 pi electrons are there. Here 2 pi electrons. These electrons also participate in the conjugation, so it is also anti-aromatic. So finally, how many ions are aromatic in the given ions? 4. Then what is the option? Option B is the answer. Okay friends, we'll meet you in the next class.